Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Bluetooth headphones not showing up on Windows 11, 10. Open services. Change Bluetooth support service. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.